Sahaj Shiksha Learning app. So students, today we are going to learn your new topic, and that is the necklace. Yes students, so as we know, the necklace means, the necklace means one jewelry that the ladies wear in their neck. Yes students, so just we'll see about this lesson. Yes, this is one moral story, and this story is about one poor girl. Yes students, and that girl, she believed to be in the royal life. Yes, but in that royal life, she was just dreamed of royal life, and in that royal life she borrowed one beautiful and expensive necklace from her one of rich friend. Yes students, and in this lesson we are going to see how that expensive necklace puts her in a great trouble. Yes, and that necklace how just destroy her life. Okay students, so we'll see this lesson as a moral story. Yes, so before starting this lesson we are going to see warming up. Okay, so you can see on your screen there is some question for you. So the necklace, warming up, talking about myself. Write a few lines about yourself, your name, appearance, family, the place where you live, your school, your friends, neighbors, relatives, your likes, dislikes, hobbies, what you are good at. Okay students, so see what you have to do. Yes, you have to write yourself. Yes, means you have to write the lines about yourself, and on which points you have to write yourself. Yes, so they have given the sub points here, and with the help of this all points you have to write the information about yourself. Yes students, so we'll see second activity for you. Now create an imaginary persona for yourself. See, second activity is there that you have to just write the persona, means write the information about yourself that is dreamy, means imaginary. Yes, means what you would like to be in the future. Yes, now see, it can be quite different from your real self. Okay, so it can be different from your real self. Okay, so or you may choose a fictional character, a character from a novel, story, etc. Yes, so some students are there, so they just desire that, yes, I would be like Sachin Tendulkar, I would be like Lata Mangeshkar, I would be like just APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, so these students will write the different information just as they are real life. Yes, so see, there are two boxes are there, real self, and the second is imaginary persona. Okay, so you have to write there about yourself. First is real self, means what you are in actual, and in the second, imaginary personal. Okay, so imaginary persona. Okay, so you have to write here what is in your mind that you would be like that person. Yes, okay, so we'll see the next. My dream possession. Is there something that you would like to own more than anything else? Okay, so here is one chart of your dream and the possession of dream. Okay, so your dream possession with the help of the following points. Okay, so you have to write the dream possession with the help of given points. Okay, so you may add your own points too, and in this chart you may add, means you can add your points also. Yes, so which are the points I am going to read? Yes, so the middle box is in the green color, my dream possession, what it is. Okay, so which are the dream possessions are there? Yes, which are given in the side boxes. Yes, so first I am going to read it. Whether you would share it with others. Okay, so do you want to share with others this dream? Yes, so then its appearance, color, shape, size, etc. Yes, so you have to write the appearance of your dream here. Yes, in the third box, it's use. What is the use of your dream? Yes, then where you saw it first. Yes, so when you dreamed this dream first, okay, then what you would use it for you. Yes, to complete your dream, what you are going to do, that only you have to write in this box. Then how you would use it. Yes, so this dream, how you would use for your success in your life, that only you have to write here. Then why you want it so much. Yes, so this, why do you want, this answer you have to write in this box, and what you would do to get it, and for this achieve this dream, what the efforts you are going to take. Okay, so these answers you have to write in this all the boxes. Yes, so this is the possession of your dream. Yes, students, so we have completed this warming up session. Yes, so we are just moving to the actual lesson. Yes, and the name is the necklace. Yes. Okay, students, so we'll see the lesson, the necklace. And in this lesson, just they have given part 1 and part 2, because this lesson is just so much vast, so much long, and for it they have just divided in 2 parts. So let's see today the part 1. Yes, see, Mathilde was a pretty and charming girl, born as if by an error of fate. Okay, so the name of the girl is Mathilde, okay, and Mathilde was a pretty and charming girl. Yes, she was very pretty girl. Yes, and she born as if by an error of fate. Fate means luck, okay, so she just born with unluck, okay. Yes, so into a family of clerks, okay. Now see, she had no means of becoming known, understood, loved, or be wedded to an aristocrat. Okay, so aristocrat means noble class. Okay, means she just wanted to marry with a person who is in noble class. Yes, students. Now, and so she let herself be married to a minor official at the Ministry of Education. Okay, and at last she married, yes, with the person and who is in the minor official at the Ministry of Education. Okay, students, so we'll see the next para. She dressed plainly because she had never been able to afford anything better. Okay, so she was just married with a minor officer who is in Ministry of Education. Yes, so she had no any expensive dresses to wear. Yes, so she suffered endlessly, feeling she was entitled to all the luxuries of life. So she felt, she always feeling that no, everything is finished and now I cannot do anything good. Yes, she was just feeling endless. Yes, so she suffered because of her shabby, poorly furnished house. Shabby means untidy. Yes, yes. So she just suffered because of her shabby and poorly furnished. Yes, so her house also was poorly furnished, means badly furnished. Yes, so all these things that another woman of her class would not even have noticed tormented her and made her resentful. Yes, so see, all the women who are in same class, okay, so they were just not notice all these things. Yes, and they were just not try to make sad. Okay, ये जो वुमेन्स थे वो जो उसी के यानी कि मैथिल्ड के क्लास के थे, वो लोग ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें नोटिस नहीं करते थे, लेकिन मैथिल्ड वाज जस्ट सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑल द थिंग्स. ओके, बिकॉज शी वाज वेरी नर्वस. यस, बिकॉज शी वांटेड टू लिव इन अ रॉयल लाइफ, एज आई से इन द फर्स्ट पैरा. यस, शी वांटेड टू लिव इन अ रॉयल लाइफ, बट शी was suffering in this poor life. Yes, we'll see the next. She dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms, perfume for afternoon chats with close friends. Okay, so this is the dream of Mathilde, which is poor girl, but she dreamed that she could have the palatial mansion. Palatial means it's related to palace. Okay, so उसको ऐसा लगता था कि yes, मेरे पास मेरा जो घर है वो मेरा घर पैलेस के समान जैसे होना चाहिए था. yes, और ये जो पैलेस है उसमें बहुत सारे रूम्स. yes, with the good fragrance. yes, so ऐसा उसका ड्रीम था. yes, let's see the next. Yet she had no rich dresses, no jewels, nothing, and is where the only thing she loved. Okay, now what was the dream of this Mathilde? We see in the previous para, yes, she wanted to live in palace as well as she wanted to wear all the expensive and shiny dresses. Yes, she wanted to wear the jewelry. Yes, but she had no at all. Yes, so see, she wanted so much to charm, to be envied, to be sought after. Okay, so she wanted to live just charmful. Yes, but she could not do these things. Okay, so we'll see the next paragraph. She had a rich friend, a former schoolmate at the convent. Former means yes, from long ago. Yes, former यानी कि पहले से ही जो उसकी friend थी वो. Yes, so she had one rich friend, okay, from the school. Yes, so whom she avoided visiting before because afterwards she would weep with regret, despair and misery. So misery means poor condition. Okay, so she had one rich friend but she just avoided to visit her, avoided to meet her. Why? Because when she just went to meet her, that rich friend, that time she just started to weep. Weep means cry. Okay, because of her poor condition. Yes, we'll see the next. One evening her husband came home with an air of triumph. Okay, so triumph means what, students? Yes, happiness. Okay, so one day her husband has came with happiness. Okay, and what she brought? What he brought? Let's see. Holding a large envelope in his hand, look, he said, here's something for you. Yes, so he was just brought one envelope and he said to his wife that, oh, look here, here is something for you. Yes, we'll see the next. She tore open the paper and drew out a card on which was printed the words. Okay, so she had taken that envelope, she just tore the paper and she just put out one card, and on that card the message is there. So let's see what was the message. The Minister of Education and MME George Ramponia request pleasure of M. Okay, so MME, this is the French language, and MME means madam and M means monsieur. Monsieur means Mr. Okay, so as we say in English, Mr. and Mrs. So in French language, there is the word short form of the monsieur, that is M, and MME, this is the short form of madam. Okay, so see, and MME, Loisel Company at the ministry on the evening of Monday, January 18th. Okay, so the invitation card was there, which is in the envelope she put out, and she just read that message. So what was the message? It was the invitation from the ministry office, and they just invited both, means the couple of the Mathilde. Okay, Mathilde and her husband, they are just invited from the ministry office. There is one function. Yes, so let's see how she replied for this invitation. Instead of being delighted as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully. So resentfully means with the sad feeling, with the sad feeling. Okay, students, so see that husband had just imagined that, oh wow, this invitation card, when the wife will see, that time she will just become happy. But yes, did not happen like this. that the method was she just put the envelope on the table just resentfully, means with the sad feeling. Yes, she was not become happy. Yes, so why? And muttered, what do you want me to do with that? Yes, so she answered that what I want to do with this envelope. Yes, so and what you expect me to wear if I go. Yes, so if I'm just ready to go in that function, that what the dress I'm going to wear. Yes, because I have no any expensive, any good dress. Okay, so he had not thought of that. Okay, he means, yes, correct, the husband, he has not thought of these things, means the jewelry, dress. Yes, now he stammered. Stammered means just get stuck while speaking. Okay, so he stammered. Why? Yes, he asked why. Okay, so he asked why the dress you go to the theater in, it seems very nice to me. Okay, so he suddenly answered that yes, जो ड्रेस आपने जो थिएटर में जाते वक्त पहना था वो तो बहुत अच्छा है. Yes, it was so nice, so you can wear that. Yes, he stopped stunned. Stunned means surprised. Okay, he stopped stunned, distressed to see his wife crying. Okay, so after the listening his answer, just Mathilde started to cry. Yes, why? Yes, because she had no any expensive dress to wear in that function. Yes, now see, he stuttered. Okay, he stuttered means ask. Okay, so he stuttered, what's the matter? Let's see, Mathilde, how much would a suitable dress cost? Okay, so he just asked to his wife that what's the matter? Yes, you don't worry. What is the cost of your expensive dress? Yes, which dress you want to wear for that function? So tell me the cost of that dress. Yes, now see, she thought for a moment, computing the cost. Computing the cost means yes, she was just remembering the cost. Yes, what is the cost? Yes, which that dress I want to wear. Yes, so and also wondering that amount she couldn't ask for without an immediate refusal. Refusal means yes, just उसने क्या करने के लिए स्टार्ट किया कि उसको जो हस्बैंड था वो हस्बैंड के लिए उसने क्या नहीं किया. यस, शी डिडंट से नो. यस, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला. यस, शी जस्ट सेड यस, आई वांट दैट ड्रेस एंड व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट. शी जस्ट रिमेंबरिंग द कॉस्ट एंड शी वाज स्टार्टेड टू काउंट द कॉस्ट. यस, सो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट, विल सी. At last, she answered hesitantly. Yes, so hesitantly means unsurely. Yes, it will be 4,000 rupees, it will be 5,000 rupees. Okay, so hesitantly. So at last they answered hesitantly, I don't know the exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs. So francs means it is French currency. Okay, so in India there is the currency of India is rupees. Okay, so this currency is of French, that is francs. Okay, so she needed to buy that expensive dress. How much cost? Okay, we'll see, 400 francs. Okay, so 400 francs she needed to buy that dress. Okay, students, good. We'll see the next para. He turned a little pale. Okay, now see the husband feelings, husband expression on his face, that he turned a little pale. Okay, just he got just nervous. Okay, but because he had been saving that exact amount to buy a gun for hunting summer. Okay, because that exact amount means how much? Yes, 400 francs. Okay, so the 400 francs he just saved for buy a new gun. Okay, for hunting in summer. Okay, so in the country near Nanterre. Okay, so this is the name of one place in the France. Okay, so with a few friends, however, he said, very well, I can give you 400 francs. Okay, so he just agreed to give all that exact amount which he has saved for the buying a new gun. But he agreed that, okay, no problem, I will give 400 francs to you. Yes, but try and get a really beautiful dress. Okay, I will just give you 400 francs, but you just try to get a really beautiful dress from this money. Yes, the day of the party drew near. Okay, so when some after days, the party day is just arrived, and Madame Loisel seemed sad, restless, anxious, though her dress was ready. Okay, so Madame Loisel, yes, here the word is given for Mathilde. Okay, so Madame Loisel means Mathilde was still nervous. Why? Yes, she has that new dress, but still she was nervous, unhappy. Yes, so why? We'll see. One evening, her husband said to her, "What's the matter? You have been acting strange these last 3 days." Okay, so every day he was just watching his wife that she was very nervous, she was very sad. Okay, so one day evening, he asked to his wife that, "What is the matter?" "Yes, I was just seeing you are just very sad from these 3 days." Okay, so what the answer she will give? Yes, she replied, "I am upset that I have no jewels, not a single stone to wear. I would rather not go to the party." Yes, so what is the problem of her? Yes, she replied that I have no any jewelry. Yes, not a single stone to wear. Okay, so instead of coming there in the function, I'm not going to come. Yes, I will not go there. Yes, so you could wear flowers, he said. They are very fashionable at this time of year. Okay, so he just solve her problem. Yes, she wanted to wear beautiful jewelry, beautiful stones, but he replied that you can wear the jewelry of flowers. Okay, because at that time, at those days, it was just fashionable. Okay, so she was not convinced. Yet she was not convinced means she was not agreed to wear the flowers jewelry. Yes, so see, the next day she went to her friend's house and told her of her distress. Okay, so next day finally she went to her that rich friend and she just told about her tension. Yes, now see, Madame Forrester went to her mirrored wardrobe. Okay, so Madame Forestier means her that rich friend. Okay, so she went to just wardrobe means the cupboard, and what she did, took out a large box, brought it back, opened it and said to Madame Loisel, "Choose, my dear." Okay, so what her rich friend had did? Yes, she just opened all the jewelry boxes and she put in front of the Mathilde and she said, "Okay dear, you can choose any of it. Yes, these are all the jewelry for you. Yes, you can choose it and you can wear." Okay, so first Mathilde saw some bracelet, then a pearl necklace. She tried on the jewelry in the mirror. Okay, so she had just seen some bracelets for her, then the pearl jewelry, okay, which the jewelry made by pearls. Okay, so she had seen the pearl necklace also, and she had also just wear that necklaces and in front of mirror. Okay, now see, she kept asking, "You have nothing else?" Okay, you have nothing else. यानी कि वो जो फ्रेंड थी वो हमेशा उसको पूछती रही कि इसमें से तेरे पास क्या है, इसमें से तेरे पास क्या है. Yes, so she just kept asking, "You have nothing else?" Okay, we'll see the next para. Why? Yes, but I don't know what you like. Yes, that rich friend has told to Mathilde that, yes, these are all the jewelry for you. Yes, which you can choose anyone and you can wear. Yes, I can give you, but I don't know which jewelry you want to like, you want to wear. Yes, Now see, suddenly they discovered in a black stained box a superb diamond necklace. Okay, yes, so she was just looking over there, all the necklaces, yes, and suddenly she got one box, and in that box just beautiful diamond necklace was there. Yes, students, now, and her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. Yes, and suddenly she just looked that necklace, beautiful diamond necklace, and her heart that just started to beat. Yes, means she wanted to wear that only. Yes, now see, her hands trembled as she took it. She fastened it around her neck and stood lost in ecstasy as she looked at herself. Okay, students, so fasten means what? Tied, wear. Okay, so suddenly she just took that necklace, yes, put out from that box, and she just tied around her neck. Okay, and in ecstasy as she looked at herself. Okay, so she started to look in the mirror, and ecstasy means what? In excitement. Okay, so एक्साइटमेंट में उसने क्या किया, वो जो मिरर में देख रही थी, एंड शी वॉज बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी टू वेयर दैट ब्यूटिफुल डायमंड नेकलेस. यस, विल सी. देन शी आस्क्ड anxiously, hesitating, would you lend me this, just this? Okay, so after wearing this diamond necklace, she asked her that friend that would you lend me, lend means borrow, yes, यानी कि उधार लेना. Yes, so would you lend me this necklace for some days? Yes, so why? Yes, of course. Okay, so that rich friend, she agreed to give that beautiful necklace to Mathilde. Okay, she threw her arms around her friend's neck and rapturously then filled with her treasure. Okay, so after that what she did? Yes, she was very happy to see, and that rich friend, she also agreed to give her that beautiful diamond necklace. So she was very happy. She just thankful to that friend. Okay, now see, the day of the party arrived. Okay, finally the day of party is arrived. Now Madame Loisel was a success. She was prettier than all other women, elegant, gracious, smiling and full of joy. Okay, so on that party, she just wore that beautiful dress and one more expensive thing, and that was, correct, very good, that beautiful diamond jewelry, diamond necklace. Okay, she also wear that diamond necklace in her neck. So in that party, she was only the beautiful and gorgeous woman of all that presented woman. Okay, now see, she danced wildly with passion, forgetting everything in the triumph of her beauty and success, floating in a cloud of happiness. Yes, as I said that she just believed in live a life that royal. Okay, so she just forget everything and she just enjoy that party very well. Okay, now see, Mathilde and her husband left at about 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so when they were finally in the street, they could not find the cab. Okay, so when the function is over, that time they just left from the function. Yes, they were going to the home, but they could not get any cab to go to the home. Yes, now see, they walked down toward the Seine. This is the place in the France. Okay, so till they found one. Okay, so they started to just walk to the home, and in that period they got one cab. Yes, so they just got down in the cab and they reached to the home. Yes, now see, they were dropped off at their door in the Rue des Martyrs, and sadly it was all over for her. Okay, so finally just they struggled to get house and they finally reached at home. Yes, in front of the mirror she looked a final look at herself in all her glory. Okay, so she just reached at home, yes, and after some time she is going to just remove all the dress, all the jewelries, yes, but before that she wanted to look in the mirror that her beautiful look. Okay, so but suddenly she uttered a cry. She no longer had the necklace round her neck. Okay, so see, this is the climax of the story. And what she looked in the mirror? Yes, that she had not a beautiful diamond necklace in her neck. Okay, so what is the matter? Ask her husband. Yes, as she just looked in the mirror, there is no beautiful necklace in her neck. That time she just started to cry, okay, in a fear. Okay, so husband asked, what is the matter? Why are you crying? Yes, whole day is going just beautiful, very smoothly, and now just when we are just reaching to home, that time you have started to cry. Why? Yes, so she turned towards him, panic stricken. Panic stricken means with the fear. Okay, so I no longer have Madame Forestier necklace. Okay, so she said what was the happen with her, that she lost her diamond necklace. Okay, so she said to her husband that I lost my that rich friend's necklace. Okay, so he stood up distraught. What? How? That's impossible. Okay, so he also just got surprised and he also said that how it was impossible. Okay, so this is the climax, this is the turning point of this story. So students, here we have finished this part 1 of this lesson. The lesson name is the necklace. Okay students, so यहाँ पे students हमने ये जो part 1 है ये खत्म किया है. Yes, so what will happen in the next part? We'll see in the next video. Yes, so we will finish this video here and we'll see the part 2 in next video. Till then, thank you.